Man. I really miss my operating system Windows 7 because I love Windows 7. Now I'm going to the funeral and buy some flowers.
Man. Chakouat yasser dosis sad because Mrs. Windows 7. BSOD? I know. I'm going to install Windows 10 because it's better than Windows 7. But first, I'm going to get my USB driver. Now let's install it. Ay, por el amor del Dios. No, Windows 10 is installing too long. Yes. Y installé Windows 10. Because chakouat yasser 2 makes y mappy. Oh, no! Chakouat yasser 2 is coming.
Man. I really miss my Windows 7. Now let's turn it on in my PC. Lucky, Leo and Spirit riding free returns auttp athdtc lucky, Leo and Spirit riding free returns auttp athdtc lucky, Leo and Spirit riding free returns auttp athdtc lucky, Leo and Spirit riding free returns auttp athdtc lucky, Leo and Spirit riding free returns auttp athdtc lucky, Leo and Spirit riding free returns auttp athdtc lucky, Leo and Spirit riding free returns auttp athdtc. Get over here right now.
What is it, Checkout yasser 2.
Yes, what's wrong, buddy?
Someone installed my operating system.
He wasn't me.
Me too, and I don't know what is happening.
You installed my operating system? Why?
Because I have my USB driver and installed Windows 10, ARYOV version 11
Whoa, Spirit Riding Free returns auttp athdtc. Thank you so much for installing Windows 10. Who did I means? Say it lucky.
You are now officially extremely hyper ultra really ungrounded for rest of your freaking life.
You can do whatever you want.
Yes, thanks chakouat yasser 2, Lucky and Leo. Y are the best friends ever.